Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to build the ultimate home gym without spending thousands of dollars or dedicating an entire room to fitness, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 home gym essentials that are versatile, budget-friendly, and space-saving. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned athlete, these must-have items will maximize your workouts from the comfort of your home. So, let's get started. 1. Adjustable dumbbells. If you're building a home gym, adjustable dumbbells are one of the best investments you can make. Unlike traditional dumbbells, which require multiple sets for different weight levels, adjustable dumbbells allow you to change the weight with a simple twist, dial, or pin adjustment. Plus, they are compact and easy to store, making them perfect for small apartments or limited workout spaces. Another major benefit is their role in functional training. Many workouts involve compound movements, engaging multiple muscle groups at once. Whether you're focusing on strength, muscle building, or fat loss, adjustable dumbbells provide an all-in-one solution to keep your workouts challenging and effective. They provide a full range of weight options while keeping your space clutter-free and your training efficient. 2. Resistance bands. Resistance bands are one of the most versatile and budget-friendly pieces of workout equipment you can add to your home gym. Unlike traditional weights, resistance bands provide variable resistance throughout the movement, which helps engage more muscle fibers and improve overall strength. They come in different resistance levels, from light to heavy, allowing you to customize your workouts as you progress. These bands are perfect for strength training, rehabilitation exercises, and flexibility routines. Additionally, resistance bands put less strain on joints compared to heavy weights, making them a great option for injury prevention and recovery. 3. Yoga mat. A yoga mat is an essential piece of equipment for any home gym, providing both comfort and stability during workouts. While it is commonly associated with yoga, it is also crucial for other exercises like Pilates, stretching, core workouts, and even HIIT routines. A high-quality mat protects your joints by providing cushioning against hard surfaces, reducing the risk of discomfort or injury. It also offers a non-slip surface, which helps improve balance and stability during movements. Investing in a thick, durable mat can improve your overall exercise experience, especially if you frequently perform exercises on the floor. 4. Kettlebell. A kettlebell is a powerhouse tool that can take your home workouts to the next level. Unlike traditional dumbbells, kettlebells offer a unique design that makes them perfect for dynamic and functional movements. Exercises like kettlebell swings, Turkish gigas, and snatches engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, improving strength, endurance, and coordination. One of the biggest advantages of kettlebells is their ability to enhance explosive power, making them an excellent choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Kettlebells come in different weights, allowing you to progress over time. If you're looking for a single piece of equipment that offers full body conditioning, a kettlebell is an essential addition to your home gym. 5. Pull-up bar. If you want to build serious upper body strength, a pull-up bar is a must-have for your home gym. Pull-ups are one of the most effective exercises for developing the back, shoulders, and arms while also engaging the core. A pull-up bar takes up minimal space and can be easily mounted on a doorway or wall. If pull-ups are too challenging, resistance bands can be looped around the bar to provide assistance while you build strength. Over time, using a pull-up bar consistently can lead to improved posture, grip strength, and overall muscle definition. 6. Jump rope. A jump rope is one of the most effective and underrated pieces of fitness equipment. It provides a high-intensity cardiovascular workout that improves endurance, coordination, and agility. Unlike bulky cardio machines, a jump rope is compact, lightweight, and affordable, making it a perfect addition to any home gym. Jumping rope burns a significant number of calories in a short period, making it an excellent tool for weight loss and fat burning. Whether you're looking for a quick warm-up or a full cardio session, incorporating jump rope intervals into your routine can boost overall fitness levels. Plus, it's easy to carry anywhere, so you never have to miss a workout. 7. Stability ball. A stability ball is a fantastic tool for improving core strength, balance, and flexibility. It challenges your body to engage stabilizer muscles, making exercises more effective. Stability balls can be used for a wide range of exercises, including core workouts, stretching, and rehabilitation movements. Additionally, a stability ball can replace a traditional chair, promoting better posture while sitting. For those looking to enhance their workout routine, using a stability ball during push-ups, planks, or squats adds an extra level of difficulty. It's a low-cost, versatile piece of equipment that offers great benefits for overall strength and mobility. 8. Adjustable bench. An adjustable bench is a game changer for any home gym, allowing you to perform a variety of exercises with better form and support. Unlike a flat bench, an adjustable bench provides multiple incline and decline positions, expanding the range of exercises you can do. It is ideal for strength training exercises such as chest presses, incline dumbbell curls, step-ups, and core workouts. Many adjustable benches are foldable, making them perfect for small spaces. If you're serious about weight training and want to maximize your workout options, an adjustable bench is a great investment. 9. Foam roller. A foam roller is essential for post-workout recovery, helping to reduce muscle tightness and improve flexibility. It works by using self-myofascial release, which helps release tension in the muscles and fascia, leading to better movement and reduced risk of injury. Foam rolling before and after workouts can help improve circulation, speed up recovery, and enhance mobility. It is particularly useful for targeting sore areas such as the back, quads, and calves after an intense workout. With regular use, a foam roller can improve overall muscle function and prevent stiffness. It's an inexpensive, easy-to-store tool that should be a part of every home gym setup. 10. Smart Fitness Tracker. A smart fitness tracker is a great way to stay motivated and track your progress. Whether it's a smartwatch or a fitness band, these devices provide real-time insights into your workouts, heart rate, calories burned, and daily activity levels. Many fitness trackers sync with workout apps, allowing you to set goals, monitor improvements, and stay consistent with your fitness journey. They can also track sleep patterns, hydration levels, and recovery times, making them an excellent tool for overall health. Having a fitness tracker helps you stay accountable and encourages daily movement, making it easier to achieve your fitness goals. If you love data-driven workouts, a smart fitness tracker is a must-have for your home gym. And there you have it, the top 10 home gym essentials for every budget and space. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fitness tips. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more fitness tips.